Why do we hold on to the past? Is there merit in preserving old buildings? These questions, while seemingly simple, bear a profound connection to our collective identity and history. They challenge us to reconsider the value of the old in the context of the new. Adaptive reuse, the process of repurposing buildings for uses other than their original function, provides an intriguing answer to these questions. It allows us to maintain our link to the past while embracing the future. Consider the case of the Tate Modern in London. Once a power station, this building now stands as one of the world's most visited modern art museums. The architects behind its transformation masterfully retained the original industrial character of the building while introducing elements to suit its new purpose. In doing so, they created a space that not only houses art but also becomes a piece of art itself. Across the Atlantic, in the bustling city of New York, the High Line provides another compelling example. This elevated railway line, neglected for years, has been transformed into an innovative public park. An urban oasis that floats above the city, the High Line beautifully blends the industrial and the natural, creating a unique public space for New Yorkers. But adaptive reuse isn't limited to large public projects. It also finds its way into our homes. In the heart of Amsterdam, a group of architects transformed a series of old canal houses into modern apartments. They preserved the historic facades but completely redesigned the interiors, creating a striking contrast between the old and the new. So, what can we learn from these examples? Firstly, adaptive reuse can breathe new life into old or abandoned structures. It provides a sustainable solution to urban development, reducing waste and conserving resources. Secondly, these projects showcase the power of creativity and innovation. By thinking outside the box, architects and designers can repurpose old structures in a way that serves the needs of the present without erasing the past. Finally, adaptive reuse helps to preserve our collective history. It allows us to maintain a tangible connection to our past, grounding us in our history while we move forward into the future. In conclusion, adaptive reuse is more than just a trend. It's a philosophy, a way of looking at our built environment with an eye on the past and the future. It challenges us to think creatively about how we can preserve our history while meeting the demands of the present. It's a powerful testament to our ability to innovate, to adapt, and to build upon the foundations of the past. So next time you pass by an old, abandoned building, take a moment to imagine its potential. Who knows, it might just be the next great example of adaptive reuse.